Okay, so we're gonna log into the website here, um, and this I can show you a demonstration of um, how the scheduling system works. So basically, you'll have your own login, and you'll go to the text reminder system. And I've already set something up for the vacation rental properties. So here we go. We're gonna launch that, and this is actually, if you wanted to just have this, this is a dedicated website and anyone with this link can access this. So if you want, you can adjust this whenever you want from any web-enabled device. So it's really neat. So basically, this is just a quick. If you want to send out a quick message to somebody when they're coming into town, you can just have a quick message here. You can type directly in the box, or you can have as many templates as you want set up. So for example, if you have somebody checking in, here are some lockbox instructions you can give to them. And you can have their name, and you can have this with their name. So anybody's name that's in this box will show up here. The system automatically imports that information. You can set that to, if they're checking in on Friday the 8th, and check-in time isn't until 3 o'clock, you can say you'll get a text message at 3 o'clock with the check-in instructions, which is great. Send message. Done. Goes there. Okay, it goes to that person. You can also do another message if you want trash days. The person's checking in um, on the 8th, so maybe, the trash comes on Sunday, so maybe you send them the message, well, let's see, I've got it on Monday and Thursday, so it's okay. So on Sunday the 10th, they'll get a little message right here about trash days, what to do with the trash. You don't want to wake them up too early, so set it for, I'll set it for 5 o'clock so they remember it for the next day. Okay, send. Okay, that goes out to that person, which is great. Okay, that's kind of basic. Now, this is pretty robust here. This is the calendar. So basically what we have here, we have a calendar system. So it's really simple just to take someone when they're coming to check in. So let's say they're checking in on the 22nd and they're leaving on the 24th. Okay, it's kind of a shorter reservation, but they're leaving on the 24th. So what you want to do is you take the date they're leaving, which is the 24th. Okay, that brings you to here. They're leaving at 11 o'clock a.m. So we're gonna add an appointment. All right, contact search, put the person's name in. Okay, so my information's here. And then the appointment time is at 11 o'clock. That's the date, that's the checkout time. Okay, this is duration, which you don't really need. The reminder template, which I can show you in a little bit. This is a template that you set up ahead of time, which has all the messages built in and the time that you want it to go out from the appointment date. So for instance, they're checking out at 11 o'clock on Sunday, so you're going to want, I'm going to add this, oops, canceled it. You're going to want to, let's do it one more time. Right there, 11 o'clock a.m. Choose one, vacation rental reminder, add appointment. Okay, so you've added the appointment there. Okay, now what's going to happen is I've already set it up so when you add the person's name to the calendar, what happens is they're going to get the number one is the appointment that I set. They're going to get on that same date, 2 hours before the appointment, before they check out, they're going to get text messages basically reminding them about the checkout at 11 and also reminding them that the maids are coming at 11. I also have it set up so there's another message here on the 23rd, later in the afternoon, another reminder of the checkout. Okay? So that's really powerful stuff. They're going to get reminders of those checkout messages and that the maids will be there. That way you don't have maids that show up at the property. People are still there because they didn't realize what time they were supposed to check out, which if you've been in the vacation rental industry for a while, you know that that does happen, okay? So you can change, you can basically create a template. These reminder templates here are where you create templates, where you create messages and you put them inside this template. So you just load the reminder template and you have as many of these messages as you want. Okay, now here are the message templates. Okay, so these are the messages that I have. So you can add all these messages to the reminder template, and when you want each message to be sent out to that guest. You only have to set this up one time per property, and then when you're done, all you do moving forward is you add the person's name to the calendar and the appointment, and then the system does the rest. Okay? It's really, really great. It's really powerful. And here's something else that's really neat. If somebody sends you a message back, they say, well, can we get a late checkout or something like that, there's a way to set it up so you can get an email notification when that message is sent to you. So if someone texts something back, you have 5 boxes here of people that can be notified that there was a message sent. So that way you can reply back to them if you want to, or you could just call them back if you wanted to do that. So this is a really, really powerful system. Okay, this is Arlen Tratt from Traffext. info@traffext.com. Traf like Frank, F like Frank, EXT.com. And if you want to reach me, it's 312-244-3760. Have a great day. Bye.